This is Atharva Hemant Bhamre studying in ninth grade from Kekewag Universal School, Saraswati Nagar. Today's my science exhibition topic is science in daily life and subtopic is density. So first of all, what is density? Density is defined as the ratio of the mass of the object to the volume of the object. Different substances have different densities. The density of a substance does not depend on the amount of matter. Means the density of 1 kg of water and 2 kg of water is same. And other substances have other densities, such as water has higher density than wood. That's why wood floats on water. Oil has less density than water, but honey has higher density than water. That's why water floats on honey. So I have the same experiment here, in which I have taken a transparent glass and in which I have taken honey as a syrup. Here I have taken water and mixed a food color with it so we can recognize it easily. Then I have taken oil, and as you can see that oil has lesser density than water, so it floats on water, and water has lesser density than honey. That's why water floats on honey. So I have some material here, like sponge, a tube, a plastic tube, a cherry, and a nut bolt. Now I will put each and every object in it, and we'll see which object has what density of the level. Okay, so here I have a nut bolt. Here when I will put the nut bolt in it, we can see that it goes directly in the bottom. So the nut bolt has higher density than all three. Then we have this cherry. Then when they put this cherry, it floats on the water. You can see. So the cherry has lesser density than the honey. Then we have this plastic tube. See, this tube floats on oil, but not float on the top of it, on the top of oil. So now I have the last, but not the last sponge. When we put this, it floats on oil. So each and every object has different density, and by this experiment we know that sponge has the lowest density. Then comes the plastic tube, then comes the cherry, and then comes the nut bolt. And thank you for being here.